Hi, my name is Kevin Delamont, and I am a mindset coach for trial attorneys. I've worked with hundreds of trial attorneys across the country, and I am here today to talk to you about overwhelm and how to start reducing it and managing it. I have a real simple 3-step process. First step is you will start to choose. Now, you might say, what does that mean? You're going to start bringing more choice into your life. So at the beginning of your day, you're going to decide one thing that you want to do, whatever it is. It could be grabbing a beer with a friend. It could be walking in the woods. It could be watching that episode of a show that you wanted to watch for months, but you haven't got to. Pick one thing, put it on your calendar, and do it. This is very important. You want to start bringing more choice into your life. And you're in a profession where people are taking from you. You are giving so much all day long. You need to start filling your cup more. And this will help you with reducing overwhelm. Second step number 2, is to start moving more. Once you're able to start moving more, you're able to start moving away from this overwhelm. You're able to reset your brain. So the way the brain works is peak performance is 90 to 120 minutes. So 90 minutes, hour and a half to 2 hours, and your brain starts to top out on that performance. So what you want to start doing is every 90 minutes, because that's the sweet spot, you want to start taking 5 minutes of a break. Step away from your desk, walk around the office, maybe go grab a cup of coffee, get some water, walk a couple doors down and talk to a colleague, whatever it is, but take 5 minutes every 90 minutes. And this may sound like, wow, this is a lot. I don't have time for this. If you do the math, it's no more than, say, 30 minutes out of your day. And what it will give you in brain efficiency will be exponential. You'll be gaining time. Trust me, try this and see. Step number 3 is to start reflecting. Reflecting. At the end of your day, you want to take a journal, pad and pen, whatever it is, and sit down and write out what you're celebrating about that day and what you learned about that day. And this is very important because what this is going to do is this is going to reinforce and it's going to honor these choices you're making, these new commitments and this new habit that you're building. Now you do these 3 steps. You do these every day for 3 weeks and you will see a dramatic change in your life. And this is not a big thing to do. It's small steps. It comes from that book, Atomic Habits by James Clear, which is these small steps you take, little bit, piece by piece, and you build on something. That's what you're doing here. So now this piques your interest. You can get a sample session with me. You can go to sorryswears.com/coaching and you click on the sample session button and we can dive deeper into this. We can dive deeper into these 3 steps. We can go through a topic that you have, but you've got this free 40 minutes with me and you can see what this coaching thing is all about if you don't know much about it, and you can get to know me better. Kevin Delamont, lead mindset coach at Sorry DLM, and I'm looking really forward to talking to you.